starting a home business doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. All around you, there are simple problems people deal with every day, and they're willing to pay good money for someone to handle them quickly. With the right small machines and basic skills, you can turn those everyday needs into steady, reliable income from home.
This content is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee any specific income, profit.
Number 1. Solar panel cleaning system. This is easy money because most owners don't even realize there's a problem until their power bill climbs. Panels sit outside all year collecting dust, pollen, and bird droppings, and that layer can cut efficiency by 15 to 25%. Less sunlight means less power, so homeowners start losing savings fast. When they find out cleaning fixes it, they're happy to pay someone who knows how to do it safely. The job is simple. You use a soft brush and low-pressure water system that won't scratch the glass, rinse, scrub, and move on. Most houses take under an hour. No special skills, no heavy equipment, and you can learn the process in a day. You can charge $100 to $200 per home, which means 4 or 5 jobs can bring in $500 or more in a single day. Panels also need cleaning several times a year, so customers come back regularly, giving you repeat income instead of one-time gigs. Startup cost is roughly $700 to $1,500, and everything fits in your car. Simple work, quick jobs, recurring clients, and if you'd rather stay home instead of driving around, the next option is even more convenient. Number 2 is an abrasive blasting cabinet. This is perfect if you want customers coming to you instead of you chasing them. Every mechanic, welder, and small workshop deals with rusty or paint-covered metal parts that look useless but just need cleaning. Doing it by hand takes hours, so most shops either avoid it or outsource it. With a blasting cabinet, you place the part inside, seal the door, and blast it with sand or another abrasive. In minutes, rust, paint, and grime disappear and the metal looks brand new. What takes someone hours of scraping now takes you 5 or 10 minutes. And that time difference is exactly why they're willing to pay. You can charge per piece or per batch, anywhere from $20 for small items to over $100 for larger ones. Yet each job is fast, which means strong margins. Customers drop off parts at your garage and pick them up later, so there's no travel, no fuel costs, and no complicated scheduling. A good cabinet and compressor setup costs around $800 to $2,500 to start. With a few regular shops, you can build steady monthly income with very low overhead. Quiet, predictable, and home-based. But if you want larger contracts and faster payouts, the next machine handles big spaces quickly. Number 3, commercial floor cleaning equipment. And this works almost everywhere because every business has floors and they get dirty constantly. Warehouses, retail stores, clinics, gyms, and offices all need clean floors to look professional. But cleaning large areas with a mop is slow and exhausting. Most staff don't want to do it, so companies hire someone with the right machine. A commercial floor scrubber washes, scrubs, and vacuums in one pass, and you simply guide it forward. There's no special training, no complex process, just steady movement while the machine does the hard work. A job that might take 4 hours by hand can often be finished in under an hour, which lets you handle multiple locations in one evening. That speed is where the money comes from. You can charge per visit or per square foot, often $150 to $400 depending on the size. 2 or 3 jobs a night can turn into several $100s quickly. Many businesses also want weekly or monthly service, which creates recurring, predictable income. Startup costs range from about $1,200 to $3,500, and maintenance is simple. Reliable work, repeat contracts, and steady cash flow, and we're only getting started with the next set of machines. Number 4, high-pressure pipe clearing machine, and this one solves problems people can't ignore. When a drain backs up or a pipe clogs, everything stops. Kitchens flood, bathrooms become unusable, businesses can't operate. Nobody shops around for days comparing prices, they just want it fixed immediately. That urgency is exactly why this service pays well. The machine uses a high-pressure stream of water to blast through grease, sludge, and debris inside the pipe, clearing the blockage without tearing up floors or walls. You feed the hose in, turn it on, and the pressure does the work. No harsh chemicals, No complicated repairs, just fast results. Most jobs take under an hour. You can charge $150 to $300 or more per visit, depending on severity. A few calls a day can quickly add up to serious income. Startup costs usually range from $800 to $3,500 for a reliable unit, and everything fits in a van or small truck. Homes, restaurants, and commercial buildings constantly deal with clogs, so demand never really disappears. It's simple, direct, and paid on the spot. And if you prefer outdoor jobs with less urgency and more flexibility, the next machine handles yard waste just as easily. Number 5 is a wood chipper, and it turns messy outdoor cleanup into quick, paid work. After trimming trees or clearing land, people are left with piles of branches and debris they don't know what to do with. Hauling it away takes time and multiple trips, and most homeowners don't have the right vehicle. Instead of struggling with it themselves, they hire someone to make it disappear. A wood chipper solves that in minutes. You feed branches into the machine, and it shreds them into small chips that are easy to bag, haul, or even reuse as mulch. The process is straightforward, no special training, just steady feeding and basic safety. Jobs that would take hours of cutting and hauling can be finished fast. You can charge by the hour or by volume, often $100 to $200 or more per job. Startup costs are surprisingly low, usually $600 to $1,400 for a solid unit. It's easy to tow, easy to store at home, and maintenance is simple. A few weekend jobs can already create solid side income. Straightforward outdoor work, flexible scheduling, and clear results. But if you want something connected to construction where contractors constantly need help, the next machine fits right in. Number 6, portable soil compaction device. This one is small, but incredibly useful on any construction or landscaping site. Whenever someone builds a patio, driveway, walkway, or small foundation, the ground underneath has to be compacted properly. If it isn't, the surface settles later and cracks, which means expensive repairs. Contractors know this, so compaction isn't optional, it's required. A portable compactor uses vibration and weight to press soil or gravel tightly together, creating a solid base in minutes. You simply guide the machine back and forth and let it do the work. It's compact enough to transport easily and strong enough to handle tight spaces where larger equipment can't fit. That makes it perfect for residential jobs and small projects. You can charge by the hour or per project, often $100 or more for short tasks that take less than an hour. Startup cost is relatively low, usually $400 to $1,300 depending on size and power. With local contractors or homeowners doing renovations, there's steady demand year-round. It's practical, easy to learn, and highly repeatable, and the next machines get even simpler and cheaper to start with. Number 7, metal surface polishing machine. This one is all about appearance, which businesses care about more than you think. Walk into any restaurant kitchen, hotel, or food facility, and you'll see stainless steel everywhere. Counters, hoods, sinks, equipment. Over time, it gets dull, scratched, and stained, and suddenly the whole place looks older and less hygienic. Replacing those surfaces is expensive, so most businesses look for a cheaper way to restore them. That's where polishing comes in. A professional polishing machine with the right pads and compounds can remove scratches, stains, and oxidation quickly, bringing metal back to a clean, bright finish. The difference is visible immediately, which makes it easy to sell. You're not convincing anyone with theory. They can see the result in minutes. Jobs are straightforward. Move across the surface slowly and let the machine do the work. You can charge per piece or per area, often $100 to $300 for small jobs that don't take long. Startup cost usually sits between $500 and $1,500. It's quiet, indoor work with low overhead and high margins. Simple upgrades people gladly pay for, but if you prefer outdoor work with constant demand, the next machine is even easier to start. Number 8 is a fuel-powered vegetation trimmer, and it's probably the simplest tool on this list, yet can still turn into steady income. Empty lots, sidewalks, fence lines, and overgrown yards don't maintain themselves. Grass gets tall, weeds take over, and regular lawnmowers can't reach tight or uneven areas. Property owners either don't have the time or don't want the hassle, so they hire someone to clear it fast. A fuel power trimmer cuts through thick grass, weeds, and small brush easily, even in spots larger machines can't reach. You just guide it along and cover ground quickly. No complicated setup, no learning curve, just start and go. Because the work is simple and repeatable, you can price by the hour or by property size, often $50 to $100 or more per yard. Stack multiple small jobs in a day, and it adds up quickly. The startup cost is very low, usually between $150 and $400, making it one of the cheapest ways to begin. Maintenance is basic and repairs are affordable. It's flexible, consistent, and easy to schedule. But if you want something you can rent out and earn even when you're not working, the next machine does exactly that. Number 9. It's a portable power generator, and this one makes money by solving problems people can't predict. Power outages, outdoor events, construction sites, and remote jobs all need electricity. And when there's no outlet nearby, everything stops. Instead of buying expensive equipment they might use once or twice, most people prefer renting. That's where you step in. A portable generator provides steady power for tools, lights, refrigerators, or sound systems, and it's simple to operate. You deliver it, show them how to start it, and pick it up later. There's no complex labor involved, yet you still get paid. You can rent it by the day or weekend, often $50 to $100 or more per rental, depending on size. With multiple units, you can have several out at the same time, earning money without you being present. Startup cost ranges from about $400 to $2,000, depending on capacity. Contractors, event planners, and homeowners all need backup power at some point, so demand stays steady year-round. Minimal effort, flexible income, and the ability to scale by adding more units. And for the final option, we move to a machine that handles bigger jobs and bigger paydays. Number 10. It's a compact tracked excavator, and this is where small equipment starts bringing in bigger paydays. Sometimes a job needs more than hand tools or lightweight machines. Digging trenches, removing soil, leveling ground, or clearing debris by hand takes days, and most homeowners or small contractors don't have the time or manpower. But a compact excavator can finish the same work in hours. Even though it's smaller than full-size construction equipment, it still has serious power. With hydraulic controls and different attachments, you can dig, lift, move, and grade with precision, even in tight spaces where larger machines can't fit. That makes it perfect for residential projects like landscaping, fence installation, drainage work, or small foundations. You can charge by the hour or by the day, often $75 to $150 per hour, and longer jobs add up fast. Just a few projects each week can turn into several $1,000s a month. Startup cost is higher, usually $8,000 to $18,000 for a used unit, but the earning potential is higher too. Fewer jobs, bigger payments, and strong demand from both homeowners and contractors. It's heavier work, but it opens the door to larger contracts. All of these machines have one thing in common. They solve simple, real-world problems people already pay to fix. No complicated ideas, no fancy technology, just practical tools and steady demand. Pick one, start small, learn the work, and grow from there. Sometimes the simplest services are the ones that build the most reliable income.